Why Igbos travel home en masse every Christmas? The Christmas period holds a tremendous significance for Ndi Igbo as it presents opportunity for them to return to their ancestral lands. Despite economic challenges, every Christmas, Igbos travel home en masse to celebrate. There are three words that perfectly explains why Igbos travel home every Christmas. You can call it an annual ritual. Those three words are family, community, and culture. Igbos have profound attachment to their roots. While they may travel far and near for greener pasture, the pull to return home is very, very strong on any Igbo person. You can see some other big Igbo uh, persons, very prominent Igbo people, building houses, motor parks, and some other companies, industries in their villages. It's not just to show off, it's a duty to their community. And that is giving back to the community. It's not just about personal accomplishment. It is a lifestyle. It is a culture of the Igbos to give back to where they come from. Another thing that actually um, comes to mind when you talk about Igbos returning home is it's a time for reflection, it's a time for reconnection, and it's also a time for reflection. Now, you've worked throughout the whole year. Now, away from the hustling, the every other thing that happens in town, you return to the village where most times you have a large gathering of the families you've not seen for a very long time coming back. A kind of reconnection to the roots. That is where some of us know our distant cousins, even close cousins we've not seen. We only talk on phone. It's time for marriages. It's time for a lot of family meetings. And that's the time for some people to actually come back, have reflection, have a kind of refreshment, and then set out to achieve more the next year. It's also a very good time for a lot of communities to have what they normally have in Igbo called each of the communities, as you know, we have a Republican style of governance or structure in the Southeast. So each of the communities have what they call like an assembly, kind of a general assembly. Most times they meet once a year or maybe once in 2 years. And prominent people return to this event where they discuss a lot of things about development in the community, how they build churches, build hospitals, community halls, pipe-borne water, and a lot of things, scholarships and medical outreaches. So it's not just about mansions. It's not about cars. Those are the add-ons that come with that. When you see people traveling to their villages, it's more to that. So some Igbo is more of a spiritual exercise. It's more than just physical exercise returning to their ancestral homeland. It has emotional and a spiritual attachment to some people. It's very, very, very deep. And even if they don't make money, they just want to go and rest. They just want to retire to the villages where, as you know, most of us have houses in the Southeast. To us, it's not just 25th of December every year. It's not just about the Christmas the way you see it. We see it differently. There's a lot of attachment to it where you return to the villages. There are a lot of things that the Igbos see this Christmas period, this 1 week as. And that thing as business people, this is the only time you find out that a lot of the markets are closed within that particular time. And therefore, you're actually losing nothing because it's like a full-time break where almost all the markets will not be in full section till maybe second of January. So it's a full 1 week break for reconnection, for refreshment, and for reflection to how the next year will be and the benevolence of God upon us this year.